Want to create a subdomain on your Godaddy domain? Whether it's for a blog, shop, or custom app, here's exactly how to do it in 2025, step by step. Start by logging into your Godaddy account. Once you're in, head over to your My Products page and find the domain you want to use. Next, click the DNS button next to that domain. This will take you to the DNS management page. Now we'll add the subdomain. Scroll down to the Records section and click the Add button. In the type dropdown, choose A or CNAME, depending on what you're trying to connect. Use a record if your subdomain is pointing to a specific IP address. Use CNAME if it's pointing to another domain or hosted platform like Blogger, Shopify, or Webflow. For the name field, type only the subdomain prefix. For example, if you want shop.yourdomain.com, just enter shop. In the value field, for an A record, enter the destination IP address. For a CNAME, enter the destination domain like your store.shopify.com. You can leave TTL as the default setting unless you have a specific reason to change it. Once everything is filled out, click Save. That's it, your subdomain is now added. Just keep in mind that DNS changes can take a few minutes to a few hours to fully update across the internet. Now, when someone visits your subdomain, they'll be directed to wherever you've pointed it, whether that's a blog, an online store, or a custom-built site. And you don't need any advanced hosting or coding knowledge. GoDaddy makes it beginner-friendly and fast.